Hi everyone, this is a video on how to create a home art studio. If you're new here, welcome very much. My name is Chege and this is Jicholizuri. This is a view from our kitchen window. As you can see, it's cold outside. It's still in March, but still snowy. Welcome to our home office. Nice, small, sweet and cozy room. However, it's very disorganized. Everything is important in this room, but so many things are out of place. So the very first task is to reorganize everything in this room. Let's get some fresh air, open up the windows, get some lighting in. I love the view from here. It's overlooking a park. Very interesting views. You get to see people walking their dogs, jogging, kids playing in the playground and so on. So let's get back to our messy room. The room basically looks like a store. Water bottles lying around, winter socks, briefcases, my wife's mannequins. She's actually a fashion designer and very good at it, by the way. This is my old painting. As you all know, life begins after breakfast. So before I decided to start the heavy work, my wife made some breakfast. We usually sit at the table and eat together. As you can see, what's on the menu? Nothing special, just a light breakfast. Slice of bread, bacon, eggs, and a cup of coffee. That's it. Later on, maybe some fruits to balance it all up. Yum, 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 yum. So I started off by clearing up the space, the bags that are lying on the floor, my folders. Our travel suitcases will need to find space somewhere else. I just flew into Kenya in January, just the other day, and weather in Kenya is beautiful. East-west, home is definitely best. So the idea is just to clear up the space. Small stuff can go on the closet, but the closet itself will need to move out at some point. So I got a bag and a carton, put on the small stuff in, and cleared up the space on my desktop and stuff lying on the floor as well. The tabletop lying on the wall is going to be my new desktop. The old desk will need to move out, and I'm going to replace it with this. My desk had been so swamped up with so much stuff. I barely had enough space to work on the table, so the idea is just to clear everything up on the desktop. My drawing books, my pens, my brushes, pencils, sharpeners, everything goes out. I love this metallic shoe rack. It helps us keep everything nice and organized. However, I don't want it to appear on the background on my future videos that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. These are some of my wife's sewing machines. They're a bit outdated, but they still work very well. She's been using them for quite some time. However, she recently upgraded to a much better machines, and these have just been lying under the desk, so they also need to go. I got this wooden table from IKEA. However, it served its time, and I think it's time I changed to a new type of table. So this needs to go out as well. More clutter lying on the floor. Just a mixture of different stuff, you know, my wife's needles, threads, headphones, some speakers that I use with my laptop, among other small stuff, wires and chargers and so on. All need to go. Some planks of wood that belongs to a shelf that I newly bought for storing art materials and just sorting everything out. So now that we finally cleared everything out of the room, it's time to clean up, dust everything out, and just hoover everything, clear the dust out everywhere. So this is the part that I was really looking forward to the whole time. Everything is sparkling clean, the room is cleared out. So now we'll have more space to set everything all up again from scratch and turn this little room into a paradise, an art paradise, a creative paradise, creative space, productive space, all the good things. Thank you so much everyone for staying until the end of the video. The next video coming up will be setting up an art studio, and I'll see you on the next one. Ciao.